You know what was the act that laid the foundation of Indian Constitution? Well, tough na? Okay, let's find out it by the timeline of the making of Indian Constitution. This is the day 2 of the Beyond the Paper. It's all began with the Regulating Act of 1773, which helped the East India Company to control India better. Later then the British came up with the Government of India Act 1858, which gave power directly to the British Crown from Company. Jump on 1928 when the Motilal Nehru presented the Nehru Report, the first effort by Indians to draft their own constitution. In between, the British passed series of laws that helped to formulate the Indian Constitution. But now back to the 1935, in response of Nehru Report and civil disobedience movement, the British introduced a massive law called the Government of India Act 1935, which became the foundational document for the India's current constitution, from federalist structure to the bicameralism. At that time, Indians wanted the Constituent Assembly to write their own laws. Hence, in 1942, the British sent the Cripps Mission to form the Constituent Assembly, but it failed due to the boycott by Muslim League. Later, the Cabinet Mission of 1946 finally set up the Constituent Assembly with 389 members. On 9 December 1946, our Constituent Assembly first met where Dr. Sachinandan Sinha became the temporary president. On 11 December 1946, Assembly chosen Dr. Rajendra Prasad as its permanent president. On 13 December 1946, Pandit Nehru came up with the aims and objective resolution which was passed on the 22nd January 1947. At 15th August 1947, India got its independence, and on 29th August 1947, the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly was appointed with the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On 29 November 1949, the Assembly formally adopted the drafted constitution, and on 26 January 1950, the constitution came in force and made the India Republic.